Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel OzonePrivacy. In today's video, we are going to learn about machine learning and the approaches of machine learning. Let's get into the video. First of all, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence without being explicitly programmed that focused mainly on developing the algorithm and the model that enables the computer to learn and improve from the data. Instead of writing rules for every situation, we give the machine data and it learns from the pattern, makes prediction or decision based on the data. I will give you a simple example. In traditional programming, you give the computer rules and some instruction. It can produce the output based on the input. In machine learning, you give the computer data plus desired output. It learns by itself. Spam detection in email, recommendation system, speech recognition, fraud detection in bank, self-driving cars. These are some real-world examples of machine learning. Machine learning works by collecting the data and pre-process the data, so it can be easy to understand the model. Select a type of algorithm or model and then train them by feed the data to the model, so it can easily learn the pattern. Test and evaluate the performance using unseen data and deploy it in the real world and improve. Machine learning approaches. There are three main approaches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. The model is trained with the labeled data, which means the input plus correct output. The main goal is to learn the mapping from input to output, so it can predict the output from new inputs. For example, if we give an image of a dog as input and then the text class of dog as output, its advantages include it is accurate enough if labeled data is available. Its disadvantages includes needs a lot of labeled data and can overfit if trained poorly. Its key types include regression and classification. Regression predicts continuous values, for example, predicting the temperature, stock price. It uses algorithms like linear regression, discussion tree, random forest. Classification predicts discrete categories, for example, spam or not, disease present or not. Unsupervised learning. The model is trained with unlabeled data. Only the input, no outputs. The goal is to discover pattern, grouping or structure in the data. For example, grouping customer into segment based on the buying behavior. Its key type includes clustering and dimensionality reduction. Clustering means grouping data points based on similarity. Example, customer segmentation. Dimensionality reduction means reducing the number of features while preserving data essence. For example, compressing image data for faster processing. The main advantage of this is it can work without labeled data. And the disadvantage is it is very hard to evaluate the results. Reinforcement learning. The model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. The main goal is to minimize cumulative rewards by learning the best strategy or policy. For example, training a robot to walk, playing chess or Go. It works by the process involves taking an action at a first step and then the environment responds with a reward or penalty. After that, agent updates its strategy to improve the future rewards. It works well for sequential decision making and it can even learn more complex strategies. The disadvantage of this is requires many trials to learn effectively. And then semi-supervised learning and self-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning uses a small amount of labeled data and large amount of unlabeled data. In self-supervised learning, the model creates label from the input data itself. I hope this video is useful for you. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you for watching.